Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Forex trading or just starting out and wondering if there's a smarter way to grow your money, today's video is going to blow your mind. I want to share something with you that completely changed the way I trade. I'm talking about AI Max Pro EA, an automated trading bot that's been printing profits for me day after day. And before you think this is just another robot with empty promises, let me show you why this one's different. So here's the deal. Just today, AI Max Pro EA made me $1,721. Last week, over $7,170. And last month alone, a massive $42,759 in profit. I've been tracking it for a while now, and the overall profit has hit $96,038, all fully verified, all in real time. My balance? $200,813, and both the equity and free margin are sitting at full strength. That means no risky trades, no hidden losses, just clean, consistent profits. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, AI Max Pro EA isn't just some random script running trades. It's powered by a cutting-edge algorithm that uses artificial intelligence to scan the markets 24/5. It analyzes historical data, live price action, volatility, and even market sentiment. It finds high probability setups and executes them with absolute precision, faster than any human could ever react. It trades pairs like EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, gold, and more. The best part? It's emotionless. It doesn't panic. It doesn't overtrade. It sticks to the strategy, manages risk intelligently, and grows your account steadily over time. I used to spend hours glued to my screen, trying to catch every move, stressing over stop losses, second-guessing myself. Not anymore. Now I just check my phone, see the profits, and go on with my day. It's honestly one of the best decisions I've made. And I'm not the only one. Traders in our community are seeing amazing results. One guy told me he was struggling to stay above break-even. Since switching to AI Max Pro EA, he's making consistent weekly profits without lifting a finger. Another guy said he's tried 15 different bots over the years, and this is the only one that's delivered stable, real-world returns without crashing his account. Now, I want to be real with you. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a serious tool built for people who want to treat trading like a business. You still need good money management and the right broker setup, but if you do things right, AI Max Pro EA can literally transform the way you trade. It's super easy to set up. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just install it on your MT4 or MT5 account, tweak a few settings if you want, and let it run. That's it. It does the heavy lifting for you. If you're ready to take control of your trading, if you're tired of blowing accounts or missing trades, this is your shot. I'll drop the link in the description below. Don't wait too long though. There's only a limited number of licenses available for this version, and I'm not sure when it'll be open again. So go check it out, install it, and start trading smart, not hard. AI Max Pro EA. It's not just a bot, it's your partner in profit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay profitable.